All right. Hey, everybody, this is Jeff, the Pharaoh. Well, the Pharaoh or the Pharaoh. We're going to start a 1973 Mercury Comet. She needs a lot of pumping. Ooh. What the hell? She hasn't sounded like that since it was new. Anyway, we're doing a video because I just went and got her fixed again. Wow, listen to that. This is the first time this thing has idled like this ever since I've had it for the last 7 to 8 years. Got the original carburetor rebuilt and put back on. Everything under here works. The only thing that's not original is the overflow bottle. So I'm going to be removing that and put the original wash tub back in. And I got to get new tubes and plug it in to have the windshield washer working again. And of course, whatever, got to get that replaced. But anyway, here's the little old 302 V8, all original. She's never been taken apart. It's got a new water pump on it from about 4 or 5 years ago. And the shocks, these are actually been replaced with the original shocks replaced with original shocks. When I bought this car, it came with a box with brand new Ford made shocks that were about 40 years old. So we put it on. Here's another item I want to show you. Besides, I got all the tubes all replaced. They were a bitch to find. I want to show you the original induction system. This is extremely rare. The forced induction system. It took me years to find the original pieces, years that were still intact. Extremely rare. And it's undamaged. No cracks, no splits in it. So when you're rolling down the street of the highway, you got that cool air blowing in through there. Right through here, right up into the carburetor. So everything's on its original. I did ask about, was that supposed to be original with a wing nut, or is it with a regular nut? So I'm going to get a chance to look at that up on a number of different websites. But here we go. Original grill, of course, you saw previous videos. The air conditioner. And original patina. The original colored hubcaps. So ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this is the first time this thing has ran this well ever since I had it. It's smooth. This is Jeff going, hooah.